You can do it offline. I can quickly show you this, or use cPanel as well manually. You download the installer from WordPress.org, upload it. It's more complicated. We won't go through that. Or a subdirectory or subdomain.
So it looks like most cPanels now have WordPress pre-installed.
One-click installers.
They have the one-click installer, but they're not pre-installed.
Okay.
Okay, so let's install WordPress, and then we'll stop it coming to the page, and then we'll build the site. Okay, so I will click on the. I've never used this here, but let's see what it says. Blog title, user. I'm going to use my email as my user. Okay. So I need to do something real quick. We may get an error by that. Yep, thought so. It means using my delegate characters. Okay. Click installer is running. Okay, still installing. I should have showed you what was here before. There was absolutely nothing in there.
But I think Substaculous is faster.
I don't like this installer because it did not ask me to put in my password, so I'll have to reset it. The beauty of this is that if you've lost your password, you can always reset it. So this is the when you install a WordPress installation, files show up in the database. Just don't look at this to make you dizzy.
Because I don't think anybody wants to go in there.
No, you don't want to go in there. It's because I don't. And voila, I am inside.
So I can actually get my my password in there.
No. That's the one thing I like about WordPress security. You can't get your password, you can only change it. So I can't retrieve a password, you can only replace it with another one. Okay. So I've installed, this is the back end. This is a lot more pure and clean WordPress installation. You wouldn't have Jetpack, you wouldn't have WP Forms, you wouldn't have this marketplace, insights of Opt-in Monster. So this kind of help you start off your website a lot faster. Okay, and one of these guys actually handles the coming soon. There you go. So your site is currently displaying a coming soon page. Once you're ready to launch your site, click here.
So that means that's
So it comes with it automatically. If we had used the WordPress engine from WordPress.org, you won't see any of this. You'll see something entirely different.
So does this also come with the one on Source Calculator?
Substaculous doesn't have this. It doesn't put all this by default.
So that was is pure, no plugins.
It's pure installation. You have to put all. That's why I said you have to set up a coming soon thing. But this has done it for you.
Does all cPanel have this?
No, it usually has a coming
It
soon.
depends. It depends on your hosting
Hosting.
company.
Okay.
That's
So-
why you're hosting. You have to be thorough when selecting hosting. But
Yes.
That's where you're putting everything. No, it doesn't use Namecheap. What hosting do you use?
No, does Namecheap
Hello?
have this?
Excuse
Yes.
me.